In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Duolingo. We'll do this by adjusting a setting in Google Chrome so the Duolingo website can't send you browser notifications. This is a quick fix if those little pop-ups keep interrupting your focus, and it only takes a minute. First, open Chrome settings. With Chrome open on your computer, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. Click it and choose Settings. That takes you to Chrome's main settings page where we can control privacy and site permissions. If you ever need a faster route, you can also type Chrome//settings into the address bar and press Enter. Either way, you'll land in the same place. Next, head to the Notifications control inside Site Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. In the main panel, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome manages what each website is allowed to do. Scroll to the Permissions section and click Notifications. You'll see options that govern whether sites can ask to send notifications, plus a list of sites that are already allowed or blocked. We're going to target Duolingo specifically, so you don't have to change your global settings or silence every site. Now, find Duolingo.com in the list. There may be two lists, one for sites allowed to send notifications and one for sites that are not allowed. If Duolingo has been sending you alerts, it's likely in the allowed section. To make it easy, use the search box on this page and type Duolingo to filter the results. Look for the entry that reads Duolingo.com. If you see multiple entries that include Duolingo, focus on the main Duolingo.com listing. Once you've located Duolingo.com, click Block. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might see a three-dot menu next to the site name. Click that and choose Block. In some layouts, you may need to click the site entry and change the notifications permission to block on the site's detail page. When you've done it correctly, Duolingo.com should move to the not allowed list, and Chrome will prevent that site from sending any more notifications. That's it. From now on, Duolingo won't be able to push notifications through Chrome on this device and profile. This change applies to the browser only, so if you still get alerts from the mobile app or emails, those are managed separately in the app or your email settings. But for web pop-ups in Chrome, you're all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter browsing experience.